Demonstrative pronouns. Now, what is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. Now, they are very easy to understand because these pronouns can indicate items in space or time, and they can be either singular or plural. When used to represent a thing or things, demonstrative pronouns can be either near or far in distance. When we talk about anything which is near to us, we use demonstrative pronouns like this or these. We use this for singular and these for plural. Similarly, when we talk about those things which are far in distance or in time, we use the pronouns that for singular and those for plural. Because there are only a few demonstrative pronouns in the English language, there are just 3 simple rules for using them correctly. Remember them and you will have no difficulty using these surprisingly interesting parts of speech. When we talk about first rule related to demonstrative pronouns, we need to know that demonstrative pronouns always identify nouns, whether those nouns are named specifically or not. For example, when I say, I can't believe this, here the demonstrative pronoun this is non-specific. We have no idea what this stands for, but it's definitely something the speaker cannot believe. Similarly, we can look at these examples here and we will find that how these demonstrative pronouns can be identified easily in sentences. Here is a letter with no return address. Who could have sent this? Now, this demonstrative pronoun refers to this letter, and as this letter is in the speaker's hand, so it is near him, and that is why the demonstrative pronoun this has been used. I don't like that one, but I do like this one. Here, the pronoun that is used in place of something which is singular and far in distance. Similarly, we have used the pronoun this to talk about something which is singular and near to the speaker. Now let's talk about second rule. According to second rule, demonstrative pronouns are usually used to describe animals, places, or things. However, they can be used to describe people when the person is identified. Now, third rule says that do not get confused between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. The words are identical, but demonstrative adjectives qualify nouns, whereas demonstrative pronouns stand alone. Demonstrative pronouns can be used in place of a noun, so long as the noun being replaced can be understood from the pronouns context. Although this concept might seem a bit confusing at first, but some examples are going to help you to add clarity to this concept. Now look at these examples of demonstrative pronouns. This was my mother's ring. That looks like the car I used to drive. These are nice shoes, but they look uncomfortable. Those look like riper than the apples on my tree. Now, in all these examples, you will notice that all the demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, and those, are standing alone. They are not followed by any noun. Rather, they are followed by a verb. That's why they are not demonstrative adjectives. They are playing the role of demonstrative pronouns because they have been used in place of nouns. I hope now you have understood demonstrative pronouns and the difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives.